Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, indaba yase-Ibongweni Correctional Services, the stories are coming out as a corner as a sabisayo. I'm just like, Jan, you know? The question is, will Ket Matlala survive there? U-Ananas Mathe wabulawa yini? Boyibuza lokho. And you know what's crazy about Ibongweni? Most of the stories that happen inside, unless you've been there or you have a friend there, you'll never know what's going on inside. So people don't come out of there, bang. They are unalived inside, or they pass on their own. Like, what's going on there? You ask yourself a question. Nkosi yami uKhet Matlala wabantu nokuba isnob. Phela uyambona ukuthi uKhet Matlala forced himself to be a snob. He was just like, no, mina ngeke ngize ngikwazi kuba ne-life nje. I need a certain life. If it means I steal in life nje and then be a criminal to have things, I'll do exactly this to wear that Fendi shirt she was wearing. Besides the Louis Vuitton and other suits that he was wearing when he was appearing in court in Alexander. And then at the same time, ubukeka sengathi soft boy, you know? Abanye bathi no, there's no soft boy, nothing there. There's no soft boy anything. Lo muntu dangerous. It looks like yabona ebongweni khona hayi bamlahlele kaSathane straight. Will he survive? That's my question. Ngoba guys, how do you go to court usuka ebongweni and come into Gauteng? How is that? If you go to work. Ngoba mase usubuka seBloemfontein, it wasn't that bad. Thabo Best. It wasn't that bad. It's not that far, you know, eBloemfontein from Pretoria. But now ebongweni, guys, it got Sathane straight. So guys, you saw how the transfer Ket Matlala was so shady and secretive, the way they did it. Only a few people knew what was going on. This guy was actually transferred on the 21st, but now we found out 3 days later. I'm just like, Njani, is he even there? You remember I said, and then the next thing, umuntu bayamthatha bamlahlela ebongweni. Lapho kokstart akusekude. I'm sure it's just like, is this the nightmare? Amadlozi akithi angijikele. What is even going on in my life? Kwenzakalani? Umamam ungijikele. Yo. Ayi inzima indaba yakhe. I'm just like, yo. But it just shows, guys, if it's at the same time, good, you know what? No kopololo, no into right. It will come out. Someday. It can take forever, right? For some people, the fact that your shit track, they're still roaming around. Below be suspended, but there's no way shit can come back to subs, guys. Please, let's face it. Let's not. He must just retire now. Nangu was going to take my money and run the pension because he's not that young also. Remember, there were speculations to see why was he moved. And then I was just like, it will come out at some stage. Why was he moved to Kokstad? Because my thing is that, what is the reason? Was he trying to escape there at Cimex in Jan? Like, it's like, how am I gonna come out of here? Guys, kuningi uKhet Matlala wasaqhubana corruption there at Khoso Mampuru. Busy nabantu abaziyo, because you know ukuthi, I mean, in a way uKhoso Mampuru kaselakhe if he's from Mamelodi. So I'm sure most of the wardens there babulela Speedy and Zulu and a bit of Ndebele, they just like Brian esingakisiza ngayo ngubona, and then the wife is going to pay some money to the guys kuningi. And then at the same time, apparently he feared he is going to be unalive there or poisoned or whatever. There's just gonna be stories, obviously. How umngani wakhe uThabo Best naye was creating stories at the same prison. If you look at him, no, I need a diet of some sorts. No, I can't eat this. I'm diabetic. He was making up stories for days. To a point where he was on hunger strike. Ngeke uzobe dramatic njengo Thabo Bester Sham. Guys, another story about eBhongweni. You don't go there unless you've been convicted, and then Usputi is awaiting trial. He still has to appear in court. That's why I don't understand how is he gonna appear in court from eBhongweni to Pretoria, or maybe to Alexander Court. Like how is this even gonna work? Lumuntu lo has not been sentenced yet, but it's very strange, very, very strange. So the story of Matlala ukuthi he will be unalived came from Sunday Times, but Matlala feared ukuthi someone wanted to unalive him, and there was a story game and just got poison. One guard was supposed to poison him, and then the guards are doing favors for him. They give him cell phones. He can just live his life and wear his designer clothes whenever he wants to, you know. There's another story. When they brought his food, he was just like, when I taste, is there anything like that, smart guys? No. I think the poison story, it's not working for me. I think they are protecting him. This person was singing like a canary there. I was just like, bruh, please, calm down. You're talking too much. You need to calm down. The Woolworths bag, Imali, it's a money bag, Gap foot. What was crazy? He was protecting Shadrach. He was just like, I don't care about him. Whatever happens. In any case, 74. I've in a manga, oh my word, amanga amba ad hoc. I've never. So guys, ngalesi story kodwa nje kumo. It's not the poison. I promise you, he wasn't trying to escape. He's fearing for his life, this guy. He thinks he's going to be unalived. Because the problem with him, once they take him now to Adoko or other places to talk, he's going to expose more people and high-ranking people. Right now, you're not even thinking about them. Every time you're thinking, okay, you should like Velu Josefa, right. But no, there's more to it.
Ungamfiseli umuntu ophilayo mfethu angene kulela jele okuthiwa iBhongweni eKokstad. Lapha mfethu kahlathi ijele lokuqondema umuntu leli. Lapha mfethu uthi ungena mfethu esangweni kunebhubesi mfethu elikhafula igazi ngomlomo nangamakhala mfethu nangendlebe mfethu. Uyabona? Wona masuphuma lapha mfethu kunemvu mfethu ebheke phansi uyatshelwa ke lapho ukuthi mfethu la kusebhoku iyabhonga indoda mnganami. Uyabona? Ungena uyibhubezi bese ungena nje uphuma nje. Uyabona? Lapha mfethu uVusi Matlala uzofica mfethu okha lapha, the Nigerian guy. Afice okreja lapha. Nale awuthi yomlungu. Afice othilili Mzimela and baneminyaka othilili Mzimela behleli lapha. Afice George Thomas. George Thomas baneminyaka behleli lapha. And vele le section yakuyona uye R10. Yilapho ke mfethu okukhulunywa ukuthi ngempela it's the most dangerous prisoners ehlaliswa kuleya section. Leya section mfethu lapha ngokomthetho kuseshwa kathathu mfethu lapha kuseshwe ekseni, kuseshwe emini, kuseshwe ntambama. Of course Cwebu lapha abanqeni futhi ukuthi mfethu vele mfethu kufakwe security ngo-12 ebusuku. Cabanga uzobe kuseshe ekseni, kuseshe emini, kuseshe ntambama, kuseshe ngo-12 ebusuku. Uthi usalinde bakuseshe ngo-12 ebusuku babuye ngo-3. Bese kuphi nje isidingo sokuthatha uKhethi Matlala asiwe lapha ngoba ePitora Simex ebe right ePitora Simex. iPitora Simex isimex mfethu. Uyabona? And eseyakhiwe kabusha ngoba iyake yavalwa lo mjida abantu Ananas Mathe eqile weqa lapha bamthatha bamuse eKokstad. Uyabona? And ziyafa iboshwa lapha mnganami. Uyabona? Ziyafa lapha ama week awubuyi. ulusa intuthwane mnganami. Uyabona? Kunomphathi security lapha onenhliziyo emngaba bathi siqebu lapha. Uzofonqakula lapha ko CMC. Uyabona? Mhlawumbe ke manje mfethu iCockstad seyajika ngoba kuthiwa seyaphathwa umlungu uStain. Yabona kuba usofika ngizakha saphetho mathenjo ufika thatha phetho zimeme futhi kuzimeme benenhliziyo embi kakhulu lo yamuntu. Uyabona? Manje nje mina bafethu angisiboni isidingo sokufaka lo yamjida lapha. And ziyahlanya iziboshwa lapha. Ziyafi ibo. Uyabona lapha mfethu wangena mfethu uHIV positive. Mancane amathuba ukuthi ubuye lapha. Tshela why ngithi mancane amathuba ukuthi ubuye mfethu ebhongweni ulokhunzi udla amaphilisi ama-ARVs. Isizathu mfethu lapha awuvumelekile ukuhlala ne-treatment yakho ngaphakathi esiseleni. Kumele ngasoke isikhathi iphoyisa mfethu likulethele iphilisi lakho njalo ntambama iphoyisa lisuke likhona sectionini. And kwavale kumele wazi ukuthi ke vela ngeke usalithola. Laba abantu mfethu bakwazi ukudefaultisa 3 days kulandelana. Sometimes bakulethela iviki lonke phinde bakudefaultisa usuku olulodwa. Phinde ya mngana ziyafi iziboshwa. Yabona ubona isiboshwa sithi kune dust engena lapha ecourtyard. Uyabona? Kune dust engena lapha ecourtyard. Kune vice and kuyabanda. Environment elejele alikho lihle. Lakhelo ngaphansi komhlaba. Kuyabanda must ukuthi ube nevayiza ngaphakathi. I-dust yevayiza mngana ingena la emakhaleni. Yabo ushaya i-TB uthi usalinde lalela ushaya i-TB u-HIV njalo. Uthi usalindele ukushawe le TB yokuthiwa i-NDR. Ushawe NDR ke bafethu yile TB le akuvumelekile nje umuntu asondele eduze kwakho. Ngisho iphoyisa masonde eduze kwakho ufaka isifoni. Kancane ukuthi usinda zifile iziboshwa siyazazi. Ngisho anenesmart hayi ukuthi ke nabakho abagulanga mnganami. Uyabona? Abagulanga khona amadoda ayivikela umsebenzi wawo. Yabo othola oshobethe lapha mfethu. And usekhona lo yababa. Isuka bhabha yini? Kodwa